Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Zenfy.ac. But before we get into the details, I got a lot of messages from you guys and get hundreds of requests to check out products. And my guide shows you how to do this investigation yourself in just a few minutes. And the link is in the description down below for you guys to check out. And with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see right here, we have it opened up here in their website. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically an education AI. As you can see, transforming lives through AI education. As you can see, strategic skill development, smart skill building, flexible learning, customized experience tailored to you, and a lot more. And if you're wondering if it's actually legit, we have it here open up on Trustpilot and see that they're rated an average 3.7 out of 5 stars with 102 reviews. So as you can see, definitely a scam. Don't spend your money. If I could give zero, I would. 5-star, I was familiar with the platform. 5-star again, 5-star. And a lot of mixed reviews right here. As you can see, total scam. A lot of people are saying scam. A lot of people are saying that it's good. But I would advise caution before entering your information or you're paying for this subscription or this AI, since it is a bit shady and relatively new and not that famous yet. So please exercise caution before paying for this. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.